classic point and click. In the previous episode, I've gone and refined me character design, adding more details and making it as specific as a goblin's tooth. This episode, me lads and lasses, will give you some groovy groundwork and handy tips for Unity's animation system. Get ready to level up your skills. If you find yourself searching for the animation and animator window, fret not, me friends. Simply head on over to the window menu and toggle them right there, waiting to be discovered. Time to create a solid hierarchy, perfect for beginner rigging. Let's dive in. Time to conjure up a game object that'll serve as the anchor point for our hands. Now place them hands as children of the anchor point game object. With that setup, we have the flexibility to manipulate each element individually or everything as a whole, centered around the anchor object. Now, let's do the same for them peepers. Repeat the process for the eyes just like we did for the hands. Now behold the power to manipulate them peepers with ease, me fellow game designer. Everything be looking snug and simple. Aye. We can now bring in some enchanting animations to add that extra spark. To the animation window, press record and capture the active manipulations through the inspector or transform tools. Animation be growing like a sprout, bit by bit, part by part, step by step. 'Tis the most fundamental path, me fellow adventurer. You need to make thy animation more lavish. You shall weave in secondary animation effects and weights. To ensure our animation be looking just right, we must double check that every piece be put in its proper place. To enhance the animation further, we must imbue our character with a sense of weight during its command-less state. Tis the moment to establish a touch of legacy animation, me trusty companion. Let us focus on the subtle art of blinking them eyes. By venturing into debug mode, you can bestow upon thy animation the legacy type, which harkens back to the older versions of Unity animation. This method be reliable across all versions. We shall simply set our animation to loop once more. Give it a gander in play mode. There'll be a bunch of problems with me animation loop, but fret not, we'll fix 'em up proper. Let your creativity run wild and bring your character to life with your own unique animations, you savvy game designer. In the next episode, we'll be delving into the realm of 3D UI elements. Get ready to craft them like a true mastermind. Before moving on to the next episode, kindly remember to like, subscribe, and share the content. It helps me a lot, and I appreciate your support. Your support be the wind beneath me wings, allowing me to create and share more wondrous content with ye. Thank you, and may success be with ye.